gets stuck on the side comes from the helmet. That's the only reason. She's looking good, huh? You loving this?
I'm loving this.
Is this my color?
Yeah, that's a cardiology hat.
Oh,
Yeah, it's a little hard going on. Hold tight. Push, 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 push.
She never went on the bike with you?
No.
Oh my God.
It's tight, right?
Call it one way or the other.
She's dying. Look at her.
You're so fit.
It's, you
You can put your hands in there and push them up.
Yeah, move them around a little bit. Oops. It wasn't over the top of the ears? The ears they're like, are your ears like this? Or are they up?
I think they're up now.
They're up, okay. Yeah. You really don't need sunglasses, because look. Do you want you don't need the sunglasses.
Okay.
I'll leave them. We'll leave them here.
Okay.
Can you see the
front bed?
Uh-huh.
No, they have one.
See if you can get these on.
My cheeks are in a permanent scowl.
Well, you're a little big for the helmet, but you know when that just like.
What, the glove
Let's do this.
needs to be dried out.
Let's see your mic. Yeah, you good. Yeah, we'll put the pocket over your back.
I can't see where I'm going.
You know what? I think you're getting a motorhome and on a motorcycle.
When calls us back, he's going to push her belly right back.
No. Say bye. Bye.
For some reason that mic is very scratchy. You'll hear it when we're going. I don't know why it's doing that.